Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to explain you the second program of computer programming lab. So second program is a simple calculator program. The question goes like this: develop a program to solve simple computational problems using arithmetic expressions and use of each operator leading to simulation of a commercial calculator. So here we all have used the simple calculator in our day-to-day life, and so that simple calculator, it performs four basic operations like sum, difference, product and quotient, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how we are going to write a program in order to perform these four operations, we will see in our program. So the code goes like this: hash include stdio.h. The program always, it will be starting with the main function. So here in the main function we have the declaration part, in which we are going to declare the variables which we are using in our program. So for simple calculator we need two inputs, that is two numbers, followed by the operator, what operation has to be performed on those two numbers, and the resultant variable where we are going to store the result. So here int operator num1, num2, result. So these four are the variables which I am going to declare in my program, and all four of them are of integer data type. So we can enter only the integer numbers as a input. So printf, enter two numbers. First we have to enter two numbers, num1 and num2. Then we are going to read those numbers from the keyboard. Whatever numbers we want, we can just type from the keyboard. So we are going to use the scanf statement, %d, ampersand num1, comma, ampersand num2. So printf, enter the operator. Next step is, once we have read the numbers from the keyboard, next step is what operation we are going to perform on those numbers. So that operation, again we are going to select either it is plus symbol or minus symbol or star symbol or slash symbol. So scanf %d ampersand operator. So that operator which we are going to read will be stored in operator variable. So once we have the operator and we have the numbers, then we have to calculate the sum, difference, product or quotient, depending on what type of input we have given. If we are next is like we are going to use here switch operator. So here in the switch operator we have different cases for different operators which we have used. Case plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, star is for multiplication and hash is for division. So case plus result will be equals to num1 plus num2. Whatever variables, whatever values we have read and stored in num1 and num2, those values will be taken and it will be added together, and we will be storing the result, or the after adding the sum will be stored in result variable. So once this is performed, there is a break. This break, it comes out of the main program, and that is the switch function, and it will be going to the last line. So printf %d, in first three %d we are going to use num1 plus num2 will be equals to num1 operator num2 will be equals to result. So this will be stored here, and in result we'll be obtaining what is a end value after addition. So case 2 is either of these operations will be performed, either plus or minus or star or hash slash. So either of these will be performed. Then if we are giving minus as the option, then if we give the numbers, it will take it and it will perform the subtraction operation, and it will store the result in result variable. And again, once we get the break here, then we have to print the result. So that printing will be done here, and it will be coming out of the main program. Similarly for product and also for hash. So if we want, we can also include mod operator. Mod operator, it will be storing the remainder value, so that also can be included. So default, if we are giving some other operator other than plus, minus, star and hash, then there should be one error message printed. So error in the operation. So break, then come out of it, and whatever results we are getting here, it gets printed through this line. So coming out of the program. So this is the end of the program. So we'll see how are the outputs. So output, here I have taken two outputs. for the first time, enter the operator plus, minus, star and hash. If I select plus as my operator, then we have to enter the numbers 2 and 3. So it will perform the addition operation and it will be giving the value as 5. After adding, we'll get it as 5. Similarly, enter the operator. One more operator I have taken, it as star. Enter two numbers. I have taken 50 and 40, and I'm multiplying these two variables, and we'll be getting the end value as 2000. So this is about the second program, simple calculator. Thank you.